Hi there, welcome to Techie. The purpose of this instructional video is to show you just how quick and easy it is to set up the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration. The only things that you will need to set up the item are a small Phillips crosshead screwdriver to open the battery compartment and 4 brand new AA alkaline batteries, not included. We suggest taking everything out of the box before you begin. Your parts list is as follows: head and body, support poles, control box and support pole, blister backing, blister fasteners, and metal stand. Don't turn the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration on until you've completely finished assembling the item. Let's begin. Insert the bottom support pole labeled A into the metal stand, matching A to A. Insert the control box and support pole labeled B into the bottom support pole, matching B to B. Insert the upper support pole labeled C into the control box and support pole, matching C to C. Lower the body and head onto the upper support pole. Matching D to D. Connect the wires labeled E and F located on the control box to the wires labeled E and F attached to the head and body, connecting E to E and connecting F to F. Lift the clothing and fasten the blister backing to the back of the item using the 3 supplied blister fasteners. Push fasteners in to secure the blister backing. To power the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration, insert 4 AA alkaline batteries, not included, into the battery compartment located on the control box. The Evil Queen standing decoration operates in sound and motion activation mode. Any loud sound or detected motion will activate the item. Make a loud sound or clap or move in front of the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration to activate the scary sequence. Turn the power switch located on the control box to the on position to operate the Evil Queen standing decoration. Adjust the volume control knob as needed. Adjust the clothing and pose the Evil Queen standing decoration as pictured. And your setup is now complete. If you have the foot pad, which is sold separately, carefully connect the foot pad cable into the jack labeled foot pad located on the control box. Place the switch to the foot pad position to enable foot pad activation. Step on the foot pad to activate the scary sequence. If you are using an external speaker sold separately, plug the external speaker cord into the jack labeled speaker jack located on the control box. Use the volume control knob on your external speaker to control volume levels. Use external speakers with an impedance of 8 ohms only. Turn the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration off when not in use. We recommend that you operate the item in an indoor or sheltered outdoor area. Make sure there are no obstructions to hinder the Evil Queen standing decoration's movement. Stay clear of the item while operating. Don't place weight on the moving parts of the item while operating. And make sure to place the Disney Villains Evil Queen standing decoration on a flat, level, hard surface to ensure best operation. For more information, visit our website at techiedesign.com and click on Customer Support for other helpful tips and troubleshooting. Also available are downloadable instructions and product setup videos. To purchase optional equipment, such as foot pad triggers for activation, DC adapters to power your items, and external speakers to amplify the fun, visit techieaccessories.com. Thank you, and happy haunting!